Hey guys, back at it again. So I'm just going in with my P. Louise base in the shade 2. I have the massive one and I've just depotted it. I get a lot of questions why my base is in a small pot. And I'm just applying that all over the lid and blending it with a beauty blender so it's all even and really opaque. Then I'm going in with the Be Perfect Stacey Marie palette, the Carnival XL Pro. Going in with the first shade Reckless and taking this on a small fluffy brush, and I'm just working this above the crease, creating that sort of rounded shape. Then I'm just taking the shade Inferno, which is this bright red, and I'm just taking that on a small fluffy brush again, and I'm just really blending out that edge, making sure it's really vibrant. Then I'm taking the shade Lit and I'm just doing the exact same thing again, just blending out that edge. Then I'm just taking the shade Shuffle, which is kind of like this yellowy tone, and I am just blending. Then on a really small brush, I'm going in with the shade Lights Out, which is really going to darken where I cut the crease, and it just gives it that more defined fiery look. Then I'm just working through all those shades again, making sure that they are really vibrant and that they are just all super blended. Then I'm just going to take my micellar water and a cotton bud, and I'm just cutting my crease. I'm then going to go in and neaten that all up with the P. Louise and 𝑬𝒀𝑬𝑺 Blank Canvas. This is amazing for cutting the crease. And I'm just going to go in with the P. Louise paint in Ecstasy, which is this really nice deep sort of navy blue, and I'm just creating a really big wing, and I'm just really making that neat. Then I'm just going to go in with the shade Soft Spot and Showboat, and I'm just going to press it into the centre of this wing, almost to give it like an ombre sort of effect. Then I am just applying more of the fiery shades to the lid and across. I probably should have done this first and then cut it with a wing, but you live and you learn. So I'm just applying all those shades. Then I'm just taking the Dance Party liner by suvabeauty and just applying a few little lines here and there, just for a little pop of colour. So this is just going to like define some areas, and it just kind of looks interesting when you take a photo. Then I'm just taking some of my Amazon rhinestones and lash glue and just applying loads to that inner corner, like a little rhinestone explosion. Then I'm taking my NYX Milk Pencil and some of the Helen E pigment, and I'm just applying that to my waterline. Then I'm just applying some Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara and my Tatti Lash in TL3. Then I'm just going in with my Morphe lip liner in Bite Me and just overlining and outlining my lips. I'm just popping on those lash now, that one lash. And then I'm just taking the Doll Beauty in the shade FOMO, and I'm just applying that all over, and I'm just blending it with that liner so that I get a nice ombre liner effect. It works best with your finger. Then I'm just taking my Peaches lip gloss in Sisterhood, which is so my favourite. And then I'm just taking my Sleek Solstice palette, just adding a little pop of highlight. Then I'm just taking my browjam Brown Sugar Pomade, applying some hair strokes through my brow. And I'm just applying some mascara to my lower lash line to make it look chunky. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!